I go to the first big electoral debate last year. There were going to be three big on TV, you know, the thing when you start up on a podium with two other guys. And I was on the first of those debates, so I get my coaching from our political advisor, which is a guy called Jaime Duran Barba. Maybe you've heard about him. He's a very famous political consultant in Latin America. And he says, look, I want to ask you to do 4 things in this debate. You just do 4 things, and you'll be okay. We'll all be okay. And okay, fine. So what are those 4 things? Well, the first one is don't propose anything. When you propose anything, I mean, what do you mean? I've prepared myself for 35 years to go to Congress and propose things. No, people are not particularly concerned about that, so just don't waste your time. That's not relevant for people, so please forget about proposing anything. Okay. What's the second thing? And he says, the second thing is don't explain anything. What do you mean, don't explain anything? There's, for example, one of the blocks of the debate was going to be on inflation, which is very high in Argentina today, and says, what am I going to do if I can't explain why? No, because if you explain inflation, then they're going to say that you're going to explain that money printing generates inflation, and that you have to reduce money printing, and you have to reduce money printing. That means that you're going to do a fiscal adjustment, and a fiscal adjustment means people will lose their job, and we don't want you to kind of say that. You just, when you're in government, do whatever you think has to be done, but not right now in the middle of the debate. So I say, what do I do? What do I say? Just tell that they're lying with inflation numbers, or say whatever, talk about your kids. It doesn't matter.